In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a Surreal Composite 3D scroll artwork using Nano. We'll keep this simple and focused, and by the end you'll have a striking scroll-like 3D artwork generated with Google's Gemini image tool. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. This gives us a clean, familiar place to begin and ensures you can find the official site quickly. In the search bar, type Google Gemini. You're looking for the official Gemini page from Google. Click that result to open the app. If you're prompted to sign in, use your regular Google account. A desktop browser will give you the most comfortable layout for the next steps, though it also works on mobile. Once you're in Gemini, look for the Create Image button. Clicking this activates the image generation feature often referred to as Nano, which is essentially the creative engine that will turn your prompt into visuals. If you don't see the button right away, make sure you're in the main Gemini interface and not inside a specific chat thread. Give the page a second to load. Sometimes the image tools appear after the initial interface settles. Now it's time to write your prompt. You can start with this clear description, an open scroll painting featuring a miniature model of American urban landscape. This prompt does a lot of heavy lifting. It establishes the scroll format, suggests a cohesive composition, and anchors the subject as a small-scale city scene. If you want a more pronounced 3D and surreal feel, you can enrich the wording with details like depth, layered lighting, realistic shadows, or composite textures, but keep the core idea intact so the model understands the structure. Think in terms of camera language as well, such as overhead angle or tilt shift look, to emphasize the miniature quality. With your prompt ready, click Submit. The generator will process your request and return one or more images. Give it a moment. Render times can vary. When the results appear, evaluate them against your vision for a surreal composite scroll. Are the edges of the scroll clear? Does the city read as miniature? Do lighting and perspective suggest depth? If a result is close but not quite there, refine your wording slightly and submit again. Subtle changes like specifying parchment texture, soft volumetric light, or a gentle vignette can push the output from good to exceptional without changing the core steps you followed. That's it. You've navigated to Gemini, activated the image tool, crafted a focused prompt, and submitted it to generate a surreal composite 3D scroll artwork using Nano.